How to animate the player.
Hi guys, to animate the player we must first create an animation. To do so, please select the window tab and then the animation here and animation. So we've got the animation window. Let's take it and put it just near the asset store. So now let's create the player animation. So first select the player in the hierarchy window and then choose inside the animation window the create button. So we have to give a name. Let's call the first animation player underscore and idle. Let's save it, and here we have created our animation, or almost. So let's choose inside the asset folder the ninja files with the non-sort folder and choose animation relative to the idle. So the idle one is from here, it's written here, idle 1 to idle 6. Okay, select all those sprites, take them and put it here. Okay, so and change inside the samples the number 60 to 12. Enter. So now we have created our first idle animation. So if we run the game, you can see that at the beginning the player is in the idle, or is playing the idle animation. Guys, let's reorganize our project tab, select the asset folder, and inside let's create a new folder for the animation. So let's call it animation, and select the player controller, player animator controller and the player idle animation. Take them both and put them inside. Guys, let's create two new clips, one for the run animation and the next one for the jump animation. So you have to choose in the hierarchy window your player once again and choose player idle tab, create new clip, and then give a name like player underscore run for the run animation. And please, you must to select here the animation window. So let's go in the animation window. So the animation window is here, so save it here. Okay, now go to the no sort folder where are the sprites and select the relevant sprite. I mean, this one is written run 2, so I assume this one is run 1, and the last one is the run 11. So choose from the run 1 to the last one. Take all those sprites and put them in the timeline for the player run animation, and once again change the sample from 60 to 12, and we have to type to the enter key, and now we have created the second animation, which is the player run. So let's do the same things for the jump animation. So select your player in the player run tab here, choose create, be sure you are inside the animation window, and this time we have to change the new animation by player underscore jump for the jump animation. So save it, and we have to return the no sort folder and take all the sprites relevant. So it looks like this one is the jump one sprite, and the last one seems to be, I don't know, this one is run one, it is this tree one. So let's select those three sprites where it's written jump, take them, put them here, and this time change the samples to 3. Enter key. So now we have created once again the jump animation. So guys, inside our animation folder we've got this icon which is different than the three last one. So select this one. This is the player controller. So double click on it and you will see that a new tab will open, a new window, which is the animator window. So we've got also our three animation, the idle one, which is in orange color, and the run one and the jump one. So let's take this one, okay, and those two one. So here we've got the jump one and here we've got the run one. Yeah, I will put it to a little bit much more spots. Okay. To animate the player, you must use the animation window to create animation clip. Guys, let's see how to link all the animation by coding.